This is the most beautiful sound.
Using a stimulated Raman scattering technique, we measured the movement of breast cancer and lung cancer cells at the precise moment of cellular death and transcribed these motions into sounds that you can hear. The idea of taking something that is invisible, giving it the ability to be perceived, really struck me as something that could be very powerful for patients in their journey fighting cancer.
I've never heard anything like this before in all my years in oncology. It's the sound of survival.
Patients around the world can now hear 7 of the most beautiful sounds online and be inspired by real survivor stories.
And I had a winter coma in 2007.
Now I can hear something positive.
The Most Beautiful Sound is an open-sourced sound therapy available for hospitals, universities, and caregivers to help lower stress levels and strengthen the patient's immune system.
This is the first time in human history that cancer patients have actually been able to hear the sound of the cancer cells dying.
It's incredible how transformative a simple sound can be for those who need to hear it the most. Because there's nothing more beautiful than the sound of cancer dying.